Okay, Mama's been locked out, so we're gonna let her get in and see her puppies. See if the puppies come out. 7 weeks. They can get over the barrier. So we locked Mom away. So here they come. We know they can all get out because we saw them. There you go. There they go. And the whole family's out now. And they're going to have a little play around. Here they are. They're 7 weeks old today. And they're looking for monks to chase. And playing in the... There they run. They're running everywhere. It's my hole. You can't have it. And it's kind of hard to get them all in the same frame. But there they are. Digging and investigating.
Go, let's go, come on.
Here they come. All except for one. She's looking for a monk. Clap your hands, pups. Here I come, here I come, here I come. I'm gonna bound this. Oh, I'm going end around. All right, here I go. Join in my family. Now, instead of coming up the driveway, we're coming through the woods. So, here comes Mom. Well, now they went downhill and overland. Oh, one of them almost got a size 12 foot in the back. Here you go. Taking off after Mama. On the run to the kennel.